The second educational technology I wanted to show you is Nearpod. Nearpod is used for interactive lessons. What is so great about Nearpod is that it helps students master content through repeated practice and guided instruction and gradual release. For teachers, it gives a lot of data, so that way we can see how students are doing on certain skills and how the lesson went. And so this is super awesome and something that I love to use in my classroom. So you start by logging in. You can either create your own lessons, or you can use the Nearpod library, which I think is the best. So when I'm looking at the Nearpod library, I can start by looking at certain topics. I can look at certain standards. So if I need a lesson on adjectives, I can search the Nearpod library and I can see all sorts of different things. You can filter it for lessons, videos, activities. You can filter it by grade level. It is awesome, and it's really good for teachers who are needing just to kind of differentiate their instruction and to really help students become more engaged in the content. When it comes to our ISTE standards, the one that I think is best for it is 2.5, which is that of the designer, is that teachers can design these lessons to be meant for their classrooms, to do amazing things for their students, to help them master those content, as well as 2.7 is the analyst, because through the reports in the section of Nearpod, you are able to see reports on your lessons. You can see how the students did. You can see how many students were in the lesson. And there's a lot of data that you can pull from this and then use to help drive your instruction. So if you haven't checked out Nearpod, I totally recommend doing so. The pre-made lessons make it super awesome, and the students really like doing it through all the activities and things like that that you can put in there.